This project is going to be called Chasing a Mouse. Why are we going to chase a mouse? Because we have a scratch cat. What do cats do? They chase mice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take what we learned already about how to move our scratch cat using motion blocks and how to loop using the repeat control code blocks. We're going to put those together into something new. So let's take a look at what is on the screen in front of you. I would like you to think about what you think this script will make the scratch cat do. So if you're having trouble figuring it out, the first thing we can do is look at each block individually, right? So if I take them apart, we know what this does. This is our event control block, and when the green flag is clicked, it means that's when the scratch cat is going to run through the script. So we know what that does. Now, you'll remember that this has a special name, and this is your repeat or your loop block, and you can tell, if you ever forget, you can tell because it's got this little arrow here that's showing us to repeat. And then this is our blue motion block. And our blue motion block is saying that we're going to point toward the mouse pointer, which is another word for cursor. And most of you use either a mouse or tracking pad, but this arrow here that I'm spinning around, that is our mouse. And that's what Scratch Cat is going to go after. So if we look at it that way, what do we think now Scratch Cat is going to do? Do you want to take a look and see? Scratch Cat is turning. At whatever direction the pointer is in, Scratch Cat is turning toward it. So that's what this script is doing. It's making Scratch Cat move and point toward the mouse pointer. Take a look at this script. If I said to you, I want to add another forever repeat block to this script, would we be able to do it? The answer is no. We can't add another forever repeat block because if you take a look, there's nowhere to add it. Our blocks are like puzzle pieces where they fit together, and there's nothing that can fit together outside of this forever block. So if we wanted the Scratch Cat to do something different, we would have to create a new script to tell him to do it. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, we know that we're going to need an event handler, so let's grab the event handler that we've got right here, which is the green flag one, which we've been using. Now, I said that we're going to have the Scratch Cat do something over and over again, so probably we need to look at getting another block. Do you remember what kind of block it is that we use that allows us to do things over and over again? If you said one of those control repeat blocks, you'd be absolutely correct. We're going to grab the forever repeat block, just like we did the last script, and use that this time around. But now what should we have the cat do? I was thinking about this. Do you remember in the first lesson when we talked about how the cat, if you let the cat go too many steps, it will actually go off the stage and you'll have a very difficult time getting the cat back? What I'd like to do is put something in that makes the cat sort of chase the mouse, because after all, this is called the Chasing a Mouse project. And so we'll need the cat to move forward. But as the cat moves forward, we do run the risk of the cat going off the stage. And so the other thing I'd like to do is prevent that from happening. So here's what we can do. We'll go over to our motion blocks and we'll grab the move 10 steps. So now our Scratch Cat will move 10 steps to chase the mouse on the screen. But then we also need to make sure he doesn't go off of the screen. And so what we would use for that is another motion block that allows him, if he's on the edge, to bounce back. So once Scratch Cat reaches the edge, Scratch Cat will turn and go back another way. We can add other controllers for Scratch Cat as well. For example, we can actually control the direction to which our Scratch Cat faces. So instead of facing the way Scratch Cat faces right now, we can actually pick another motion block, this one here, point in direction, and add that to the script. Now we don't want it to continuously change. So we'll add that above the repeat block because we don't want the scratch cat to repeatedly change the direction that he's pointing. So instead of pointing this way, we can actually change the way our scratch cat points, and we can point in 45 degrees. So these are different angles that you can use and to point the scratch cat. Normally when the scratch cat is turned up like this, we call that 90 degrees. But I think I want the scratch cat to face a different direction, and so we'll try 45 degrees. And you'll see when we start this what that looks like. You see how now the scratch cat has turned and can go different directions and is chasing the mouse? Now that we've been able to control the direction our scratch cat is facing, chasing the pointer, and being able to bounce off the edge if it gets too close to going off of the stage, our Chasing a Mouse project is complete. So with our scratch cat project complete, I'm going to give you a new challenge, and I want you to look and see what I've done differently. Oh goodness, scratch cat keep changing colors, right? And see, there he is hitting the edge and bouncing back. So now that scratch cat changes colors, I want you to create that script and add in there the block that would be appropriate to have scratch cat change his colors. When you're done, go ahead and add it to my studio and I'll take a look at it and give you feedback. I hope you enjoyed this Chasing a Mouse project. I look forward to seeing what you create soon.